Scandal at Miramonte Elementary School. Court adjourned today after resuming this morning with jury selection. Meanwhile, attorneys for LA Unified School District and former students of teacher Mark Berndt are trying to reach a settlement before the case goes to trial. Eyewitness News reporter Robert Olguin is live outside the courthouse with the latest. Robert?
It was day 2 of the jury selection process, but as you mentioned, it's not clear right now whether or not this trial will actually ever take place. That's because last-minute negotiations are underway to reach a settlement for these plaintiffs. That settlement from one of the lawyers tells me rather the offer has been made to the district. The lawyer says they are waiting to hear back from the district, but this attorney also tells me that the school district is dragging its feet. A landmark civil suit against the LAUSD continued moving forward today, but an attorney for one of the victims says the jury selection process is being sidetracked due to last-minute maneuverings by the school district.
We're hoping to get a jury pick by the end of the week, but it doesn't look that favorable now because things were sidetracked.
Brian Claypool represents one of 3 former Miramonte Elementary students in the case that's underway in an LA County courtroom.
We're forging ahead. We're moving forward with the trial. We're not going to be sidetracked anymore. There's not going to be any more detours in this case because we feel like that's what this was.
The civil suit seeks unspecified damages for the 3 victims. At issue whether or not the school district knowingly protected teacher Mark Berndt, who was imprisoned for committing lewd acts against dozens of his students.
Okay, Mr. Crane, we're ready to begin the first items.
At LAUSD headquarters today, the president of the school board acknowledged that the board had been meeting in closed session and that closed-door talks would continue tonight.
Again, apologize for the delay. We were in discussions with legal staff, so we will be going back into closed session at about 5 or 5:30. With that, though, we're going to begin the meeting.
The sex abuse scandal at Miramonte Elementary started in 2012 after Berndt was arrested for taking lewd photographs of his students. Berndt was also accused of blindfolding his students and feeding them cookies that were laced with his bodily fluids. Eventually, Berndt pled no contest to 23 counts of lewd conduct and was sentenced to 25 years in prison. So again, attorney Brian Claypool telling me that an offer is on the table to reach a settlement with the school district before this case goes to trial. The school board will be meeting tonight behind closed doors starting at about 5:30. A spokesman for the school district tells me that the district will have no comment as negotiations are ongoing. Reporting live from downtown LA, Robert Olguin, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
Thank you.